Hello and welcome to my channel, I Know Gadgets. In this video, I'll be doing a review of the iPad 10.9 2022. This is Apple's newest base model iPad, and it marks a turning point in the evolution of Apple's tablet line. The iPad 10.9 2022 has a new design that is quite close to the iPad Air. It is made of quality materials and is well constructed. The screen is an excellent upgrade from the last base model iPad. It is a bright and responsive gaming screen. The cameras are also a big upgrade from the last model. The front camera is now on the long edge of the device, which is a game changer for video calls. The only downside is that the iPad 10.9 2022 does not support the second-generation Apple Pencil. However, the first-generation Apple Pencil is still an excellent partner for the iPad 10.9 2022. The new two-piece Magic Keyboard Folio transforms the iPad 10.9 2022 into a productivity partner. The Magic Keyboard is spacious and has a responsive touchpad. The only downside is that it is two pieces, which can be a bit cumbersome. Overall, the iPad 10.9 2022 is a great tablet for both work and play. It is available for pre-order. You can find a link to purchase in the description below. Thanks for watching.